Yespc Process Control System is a powerful tool for maximizing the value of your Yespc optical inspection systems. Yespc analyzes the data acquired by Yespc inspection systems and provides real-time chart displays to let you quickly spot trends that affect the quality of your product. Chart windows can contain up to 4 independent charts, each displaying trend or Pareto data in either live or history mode. Each chart can be set with upper and lower alarm limits. When a limit is surpassed, a real-time alert or email can be sent to any number of recipients. Yespc can be installed as a desktop tool or as a server-based tool that can be accessed anywhere on the network. To develop and open a new chart window, click on the Create Window button of the Manage Chart Windows utility. Yespc works by creating a chart display that combines data from one or more selected assemblies, test stations, work orders, and reviewers or reworkers. In addition, Yespc comes loaded with a number of predefined charts, which can be selected and added to the chart window definition. After clicking on the Finish button, the next step is to specify the sampling characteristics to be used for each of the selected charts. Live or historical charts can be generated, and it's possible to look back by time or by quantity. For a live chart, we'll select quantity and specify a board value. For Pareto or bar charts by quantity, you only need enter the number of desired boards because there effectively is only one interval for these type of charts. After clicking OK, the system will query the available database and present the results. Since this is a live chart, the system will update the information every 5 minutes or at the refresh interval established for your installation. When displaying a history chart, the results presented are one-time only and are not updated on any regular interval as with live charts. Note that for trend or line charts by quantity, you enter in both the number of desired intervals and the number of desired boards per interval. For example, 6 intervals and 3 boards per interval would give you a maximum number of 18 boards to be shown in the line chart. If, however, there are fewer boards in the database than conform to your selection criteria, it's possible that fewer boards will be shown. In all cases for look-back charts, the boards charted will start with the most recent ones in the database and move to the older ones in the database. Yespc has a built-in alarm and notification system whereby chart window information can be routed to specified recipients as it is generated. To configure this functionality and establish recipient email addresses, use Yespc's Manage Alarm Recipients utility. Here it's possible to configure necessary email routing settings, add one or more recipients, and delete recipient entries if necessary. Once recipients have been established, it's possible to configure alarm settings on a chart-by-chart basis. A quantity upper limit can be specified, and one or more recipients selected. Note the presence of the alarm bar on the chart, which visually indicates the upper limit value just established. In this example, anytime one of these data points exceeds the upper limit, a notification email will be sent. It's also possible to establish a real-time alarm by enabling the alarm for a given chart, but without specifying an email recipient. This configuration will produce a local alert dialog whenever the upper limit threshold is exceeded. Finally, in Yespc, any number of chart windows can be specified per installation, so each user can have their display customized to their own particular dataset and functional requirements. Once Yespc has been properly installed on a network server, browser-based client installation should be possible from any location that has access to that server. To install the application locally, use the network file system path or server name or IP address provided by your administrator. Note that you may first need to install the specified Java runtime environment. At this point, it's possible to install client versions of the three Yespc managers. Note that you only need to load the Java virtual machine and web start the first time you run Yespc on a new client. Thereafter, you only need to run the specific managers using the three manager links shown here.